Are you feeling overwhelmed by the holidays? Check out our Christmas Vacation Diffuser Blend. With this diffuser blend, you'll go from frazzled to festive in no time. Hi, I'm Summer. I'm a certified aromatherapist with Simply Earth and our product owner for essential oils. Turn off those distractions because making is healing and get ready to get started. Here's what you need to make this recipe. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up my monthly essential oil recipe box. Look at all those goodies in there. And then I'm gonna open up our big bonus box because I'm gonna need some stuff out of there too. So today I'm gonna be making the diffuser blend. So we're gonna start with one of these 5 milliliter bottles. We're going to need Balsam Fir, Lime, and Geranium. So the first thing you'll need to do is take out your 5 milliliter bottle. Now sometimes the lid gets stuck in there, so you're going to want to take the lid off, or the cap off, and there's a hole right here. And so you want to press down and pull off to the side, and that'll take out that little dropper cap for you. All right, so the first thing we're gonna need to do is you're gonna grab Balsam Fir, and to make the master blend, you'll need 33 drops. Perfect. I like to recap my essential oils right away so that they don't oxidize as quickly. Next thing we're going to use is Geranium, and we're going to need 33 drops of that one as well. All right, once we have Geranium and Balsam Fir done, we can grab our lime. And again, because this diffuser blend is split equally at 1:1 ratio, we only need 33 drops of lime as well. And if you didn't want to make like as big of a master blend, you could do like a 10 to 10 to 10 if you didn't want to use up that many oils to make this blend, but you could still easily make this recipe bigger without filling the entire 5 milliliter bottle. Next thing you want to do is replace the dropper cap, and then you're going to want to screw this on really tight, and you're going to shake for 30 seconds. And so for the last step before we get to put this lovely diffuser blend in our diffusers, you're going to want to take your sticker sheet and you're going to want to wrap that around your label. I like to lay it flat, wrap it around like so, and ta-da! Christmas Vacation Diffuser Blend. You can make this too. I love to see your creations, so be sure to take photos and then tag From Simply Earth with the hashtag I made this. Master essential oils with Simply Earth's monthly recipe box. You'll love learning how to use essential oils with confidence and clarity. The Simply Earth recipe box makes it so easy to make natural recipes. Go make it.